Welcome to the rise and fall of Intel, a story of innovation, dominance, and dramatic decline. Let's explore what led to the downfall of one of the tech industry's biggest giants. In the 1970s and 1980s, Intel was at the forefront of the microprocessor revolution. With the release of the 4004 in 1971, the world's first microprocessor, Intel set the stage for the modern computing era. Throughout the 1990s and early 2000s, Intel dominated the PC market with their Pentium processors, becoming a household name synonymous with powerful and reliable computing. However, the tech landscape began to shift. In the early 2000s, AMD started to gain ground with their Athlon processors, offering comparable performance at a lower price. Intel responded with aggressive pricing and marketing strategies, but cracks were beginning to show. The competition was heating up. One of the most significant missteps for Intel was missing the mobile revolution. While ARM-based processors became the standard for smartphones and tablets, Intel struggled to gain a foothold in this booming market. This missed opportunity allowed competitors like Qualcomm and Samsung to dominate the mobile processor market, leaving Intel behind. Intel's manufacturing prowess, once a strength, became a source of trouble. The transition to the 10-nanometer process was plagued with delays and technical challenges. Meanwhile, TSMC and other foundries surged ahead, producing advanced chips for companies like Apple, AMD, and Nvidia, further eroding Intel's market position. By the late 2010s and early 2020s, Intel was facing significant financial pressures. Quarterly losses, declining market share, and increasing competition took their toll. Leadership changes aimed at steering the company back on course often resulted in more turbulence, with new strategies failing to deliver quick results. Despite these challenges, Intel remains a key player in the tech industry. Investments in new technologies, strategic partnerships, and a renewed focus on manufacturing excellence could pave the way for a comeback. The story of Intel is far from over. As they navigate this challenging landscape, one thing is clear: innovation and adaptation are crucial for survival in the ever-evolving world of technology. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth tech stories and insights.